Guys, in this video, I am going to share with you guys the difference between using your normal face and also using a silicone while trying to prank your friends on social media, okay? Or trying to do anything with the new AI softwares that you can use to change your face in TikTok, in YouTube, in Facebook, in Twitter, in, social media platforms, in case if you want to prank your friends. Or we can as well use this in our movie industry as well. All right. In terms of death, maybe someone is shooting movie and all of a sudden something happened to the person, maybe he's sick or something. You can as well use silicone to replicate that person's face and continue shooting the movie. Or you can use this for different reasons. Okay. Most people always think that silicone is only used for illegal purpose. No. Meanwhile, I want you guys to know that on this channel, I want you guys to know that every information I'm giving out on this channel is only meant for educational purpose. All right. I'm only trying to teach the level we've gotten in artificial intelligence, especially facials. So please make sure you use this in a positive way. Don't use it in any kind of illegal form. Okay. I'm only teaching this to share with you what AI can be used for in our movie industry, in our social media platforms, okay? The level that AI has gotten to presently. Every day, new AI platforms and softwares and plugins are coming out. Most websites uses AI for different reasons, right? But in this video, I'm going to share with you guys the difference between using your normal face and using a silicone. What silicone is actually meant for is just to fine-tune the skin. All right, silicone is actually meant to fine-tune the skin. Silicone can also use to replicate somebody's face, but these AI softwares that are available everywhere on the internet these days, you can as well use it to change your face. But the problem is most of the facial softwares, okay, AI facial softwares that you can use to change your face, it doesn't change your skin tone. Skin tone is a problem, especially if you're a black person and you're trying to be like a white person. If you're yellow, you have an advantage. But if you're black, if you're dark skin, all right, like as I am, I'm using light. If I off this light, you know that my skin is, this is not my real color. I am really, really dark. You notice that if I change my face, it will still not look like a white person. So in this video, I'm going to wear this silicone. You guys can see. Let me show you guys, okay? This is my system. You guys can see my face, okay? I think I'm using, let me see the face I'm using. I'm using a female face. Let me put a man's face on this software. That, all right. I'm using a man's face. But meanwhile, this 2025, I have been able to like code a new software. I've been telling some of the guys that have been communicating with me that I'm coding a new software. In the former software, which is Rubcam, which is the one I coded, which you can use to link to my YouTube and Telegram and all that. We've been facing challenges since last year, okay? Because of the new updates, Windows updates, whenever you install this software and trying to use MoneyCam to output, once you install MoneyCam, you notice that MoneyCam will go and take the default camera. And in the old software, you cannot be able to change it. But in this new software now, which I'll make a video separately about it, this new software, you can choose the camera you want to use. You can choose any camera you want to use on this particular one and still output it with OBS and every other. Okay, but now you don't need webcam. You might not even need MoneyCam if you don't want MoneyCam. Webcam is quite cheaper than MoneyCam. So this one, I'll make a separate video about it. I'll explain to you guys. It has more features. It has so many other functions that you can use. This one is quite more advanced than the previous one. So I don't want to go into that, but now I just want to dive in and share with you guys. I'm going to wear this now. You guys can see my skin tone, all right? You guys can see my skin. Okay, I'm using a man's face. I don't have beard in my face, but this guy has yes. So I'm going to wear this. So whenever you want to wear your silicone, it's long. This side enters the inside the body. I'm going to pull my t-shirt so that I can wear it. After wearing it, I will now put on my t-shirt. Let me just take my time and do this. After doing it, then I will show you guys how it looks. So whenever you wear this, you have to make it flat on your mouth, on your eyes. It's like a condom, but a very strong condom. You have to open it and make your mouth laugh. This one has mouth and eye gesture. You have to fit it in such a way that it will not affect the movement of your mouth. It laughs well on your lips and even in your nose, in the eye. If you want the eye to come out, you have to raise this out a little bit. Now the software is going to do all the magic now. Now if you look at this software, you notice that. Let me on the light. Good. You see, I have to reduce the brightness of this light if you want. My skin is black. And you guys can see that this guy, the eye is showing. And also open the eye more. Want the eye to show very well. You guys can see. So even if you open your mouth, the teeth is still there. But in the real application, the teeth might not be showing. But what is most important is the output. Okay? So what you're seeing now, you can see if I open my mouth, you can see my mouth can open. There's eye and mouth gesture on this one. You can still wear your hair if you have a hair. You have to know how you can fix it well. I might not be able to do it correctly here on this video. Okay? Make the hair to laugh, depending, shift it to however you want it to be. You can still bring it front. Okay? Comb it very well so that it will laugh. Okay? I might not be able to do this thing very well like I want. Okay? Put this hair like this. So on the output is quite very okay. So on the output is quite very okay. The mouth is moving while you're talking. Okay, you guys can see everything. The color here is quite different from the previous color that I was using. So if you look at this, you see that silicone is quite far much better than your real skin color. Okay, just put this in such a way that to allow you to talk. All right, you guys can see what silicone can do. Silicone color is quite, if you look left, if you look right, the bears in this guy's face is showing very well. Come front, you can see his eyes, everything. It's quite amazing. So this is actually what I want to share with you so that you guys can compare the difference between silicone and your real skin color. If you have the hand, you can also fix the hand. You can see my hands are black, but my face to my neck are all pure white man. So let me remove this. Make sure you fit it in very well. Wow. So you guys can see, using your real color, skin color, and using silicone, you guys can see how my face looks like now. So whenever you're fixing this, make sure, it labs very well. I don't have time to start fixing it, but you have to fix it, draw it, and make sure that your mouth and everything talks very well. Okay. I hope this was helpful because most of you that are asking me where the silicone, let's see how it looks like and all that. That is why I decided to make this video to show you the level of the level we've gotten in AI and what we can use AI features to do. We can use it to prank our friends. We can use it in our movie industry. We can use it in different social media platforms for different reasons and all that. Like I told you guys earlier in this video, everything that I teach on this platform, both on my Telegram, on my WhatsApp status, and on my YouTube, are only meant for educational purpose. I just want to share. So make sure you use it in a positive way. Never use this in an illegal way or to use it to deceive someone. Please. All right. So from this video, you know the difference between using silicone and using your normal skin color if you're a black person. Your skin color, if you're fair, you have an advantage. If you're dark skin, light will help and all that. But it won't be as white as you want, like a white person. But if you use silicone, silicone is much more better. I am still working on improving in the software, in the feature software, to make sure that you can be able to fine tune your skin color through the video software. But for now, I've not gotten to that. Even this new software, before I let it out, I'll see and try to see. But that tech is not yet available, but I'm still trying to figure out how I can add skin fine tune your skin color in the software without the silicone. But for now, silicone remains the best. If you want to get the best pure white skin color in while doing anything, live video or whatever, or recording video with most of these facial softwares. And okay, in my next video I will show you guys how you can use my new software also to change a pre-recorded face. Instead of going to pay most of this platform, with this software you can change a pre-recorded video's face to any face you want, whether white or black. But I'll make a separate video about that. But for now, this is all I just want to share with you guys in this video, and I hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you enjoyed this video, if this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any question, drop it in my comment section, and don't forget to join my Telegram channel, because that is where I give some kind of updates that I don't give in YouTube. So for those of you that are watching my video for the first time, my name is Silicone Kingsley, and on this channel I give you tips and solutions on how to make money online. Another relevant tips that helps in a daily online space, but during the weekend I make sure I give you updates on new games and apps in the virtual reality space. So if you wouldn't want to miss any of my video, make sure you hit the subscription button and turn on the notification button so that you'll be the first to know once I upload a new video. I will see you guys in my next video. Like always, you guys should stay creative and remain blessed.